okay, with a pinky, and then now we want to run on pattern 1 of the pentatonic scale. Okay, that is what you are doing. If you know how to play pattern, not pattern 1, pattern 2. That is what I want to show you. So after playing, I want you to run on the fretboard. So play fret number 9, 4th string, fret number 4, 4th string, fret number 9, 5th string, fret number 4, 5th string, fret number 9, 6th string, and fret number 5, 6th string. So then go back. Then I want you to go mpaka huko chini. Okay, I want you to play string 3, 4th, string 3, 4th fret, string 3, 6th fret, string 2, 5th fret, string 2, 9th fret, 7th fret, sorry, 7th fret, 7th fret, and string 1, 5th fret, string 1, 7th fret. Alright, so I made a mistake here. This is 7th fret, not 9th fret. This is 7th fret, okay? Correct that. So you have so how to enter this place? How to enter this place? Enter with your second finger. Enter with your second finger and play the 3rd string, 6th fret, and then after doing that, you release it like that. You release it like that. Just play the note and then release, pull off. Result it to the B note. B note, 3rd string, 4th fret. Okay? 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 And then run. You can do that or go back. Okay? This is how you do it.